You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel Jacob, founder, Digital Swap. So on this tutorial, I want to quickly show you how to convert BTC to USDT. And this is not limited to conversion of BTC to USDT alone. You can as well convert other crypto assets that has a trading pair with USDT. Alright, so before we proceed, if you like this kind of content, make sure you hit the like button right now. And if this is the first time of visiting my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and don't fail to turn on post notifications so as to be the first person to be notified when next I drop subsequent videos. Alright, let's proceed. So you may ask, why should I convert my BTC or other crypto assets to USDT? USDT has a great deal of advantages over other cryptocurrencies, and these are the advantages. USDT is not subject to fluctuation, meaning if the market goes up or goes down, it does not affect USDT in any way. And USDT has a cheaper transaction fee. If your USDT is on Binance, you can send it out through BEP2 being Binance network. You can use BEP20 being Binance Smart Chain, and you can use TRC20 being Tron network, and which is very fast. And TRC20 is actually the fastest network of sending out USDT from any cryptocurrency exchange. Alright, unlike sending out Bitcoin out of cryptocurrency exchanges or just using decentralized wallets, sometimes you may likely spend up to $40 to send just $100, which is quite too costly. And more so if you are an OTC trader, that is if you are into buying and selling of crypto assets, selling of USDT or buying of USDT is actually the best, because if you actually send someone USDT, you will not end up arguing how much was sent and when it was sent and all, because whatever amount of crypto assets you sent, the value will still remain the same till next year, and you don't have anything to worry about. You don't have anything to argue about after sending or receiving USDT, because it is not subject to fluctuation. And most importantly, if your recipient is actually a Binance user and you being the sender is also a Binance user, you don't have to worry about transaction fee. I've made a video to show you how you can possibly withdraw some crypto assets from Binance without paying any transaction fee. You are going to see the link on the description. If you are seeing this video using your mobile phone, I want you to click on this button to change it to a wider screen. Then if you are not having a clear picture, click on the three dots at the top corner of your screen and change the resolution to 1080 pixels by clicking on the quality. Then you head on to advanced, then you change it to 1080 pixels. Alright, so by so doing you'll be able to have a clearer picture. Alright, thank you. Okay, so practically this is how to convert BTC and any other crypto asset to USDT on Binance, and you can also use this same process in converting your BTC and other cryptocurrencies on other cryptocurrency exchanges. Alright, so you launch your Binance application. Once you launch your Binance application, we all know that in order to be able to trade on cryptocurrency exchanges, you first of all must deposit either BTC, Ethereum or any other crypto assets into your exchange in order to be able to trade, in order to be able to convert, in order to be able to exchange, in order to be able to swap. So a whole lot of people only know how to do this, which is not actually the right means of converting BTC to USDT. Alright, a lot of people like coming here, then they click on convert and they input whatever crypto asset they want to convert to. Alright, so this is the best method, this is the best means of converting your BTC to USDT. Alright, so if this is how your Binance application looks, so for instance, for those of you who are just maybe registering on your Binance application, this is not how the home page will look until you trade for some time before it will change to this. All right, so if this is how your Binance home page looks, then you are going to see a search button at the top of the screen. Then you click on it, then you type whatever crypto asset you are looking to trade. All right, so alternatively, for those of you who just registered on Binance, you are going to first of all click on trades. When you click on trade, at the top left corner you are going to see BTC and USDT. So if it is not BTC you are looking to convert, you are going to click on it. When you click on it, you will be able to see a search button where you will type whatsoever crypto assets you are looking to convert. All right, so in this video we want to convert BTC to USDT. So when you get to this point, all you've got, we have limits, we have place wherein you are going to input the price, and we have place wherein you are going to input the amount of BTC or any other crypto assets you are looking to convert. All right, so in this context I want to use limit. We have limit, we have market. So limit simply means the ability for you to set the price of this thing, the crypto asset you are looking to sell. All right, you are looking to convert whatsoever. Then market simply means you want to take the latest market price. This one is actually the price that Binance or any other crypto asset is going to suggest for you as being the best, and the fee wherein they are going to charge you as a transaction fee is always very high and it is not recommended. All right, so the one that is recommended for you is limit. But sometimes markets can be using markets, or that can be preferable if we have kind of a really volatile market where you don't want to miss out on a certain price. Then you can choose to use markets. So in an event when you want, the market is somewhat do I call it stable or something, then you've got to use limits. All right, so I'm going to use limit on this context. Then I'm going to input the price wherein I want to sell my BTC. All right, so I want to use 37,860. It's actually going up. Yeah, let me use 37,870. It's going up really quick. 37,870 is what I want to use. All right, and I'm going to click on 100% because I'm looking to sell everything. Sorry, I've changed it to sell. It was actually on buy, so I've clicked on sell. I'm going to edit this again. I'm going to edit this to 37. Let me use 37,800. Then I'll click on 100% because I'm looking to sell everything. Then I'll click on sell BTC. So that is actually the converting BTC to USDT. You can use this same process in converting any crypto asset, be it Ethereum, be it TRX, whatsoever you are looking to convert to USDT. Then this is the process. All right, so let me know if you really understand this video. If you have any problem, let me know in the comments section. Let me see how I can help you. All right, thank you. Okay, so before we call it a wrap, I'd like to inform you that we are always buying BTC, Ethereum, USDT, and other tradable crypto assets. So if you have any crypto assets you are looking to cash out, if you have any crypto assets you are looking to trade for quick naira, always send us a DM on WhatsApp with the following number on the screen. Then the moment we receive your crypto, you are going to get your payment right away. All right, so this is the end of today's video. I really do appreciate you for sticking around, and I trust to see you next time. All right, goodbye.